Good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 17th. Today is Rashid L's birthday. Happy birthday, Rashid. Here is the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Brianna S. Reva showed her Golden Heart when she gave one of her erasers to Brianna. Thank you for your attention. Please stand quietly for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge
Today, we celebrate the respect pillar of character. Students who are respectful show their golden hearts. Several students were nominated to represent their classes as very respectful students. We would like to recognize them here today.
Matthew Mentari. Matthew pushes his classmates' chairs in if they forget. He consistently uses his good manners and is frequently heard saying please and thank you. Matthew often picks up excess scraps, paper clips, or Play-Doh found around the classroom. Thank you, Matthew. Lucas McKenna. Lucas uses kind words such as please, thank you, and you're welcome. Lucas is considerate and raises his hand to speak. Lucas respects his classroom by putting materials away when he is finished working or playing with them. Thank you, Lucas. Jordy Esteves Corrado. Jordy always uses polite manners. He waits for others to talk and does not interrupt. Jordy is kind to all children in the class. Thank you, Jordy. Brooke Baker, Maurice Crosby, and Danielle Marson. Brooke, Maurice, and Danielle use respectful language. They say please, thank you, and excuse me. Maurice, Danielle, and Brooke are respectful of everyone's learning time. They work quietly so others around them can stay focused. Danielle, Brooke, and Maurice are respectful of their classroom environment. They use supplies carefully. They are careful to clean up whatever they use. Thank you, Danielle, Brooke, and Maurice. Joelle Boykin and Diego Delson. Joelle and Diego always look at the speaker who is talking. They sit crisscross on the rug so that everyone can see. They always wait their turn when playing with a game, waiting to talk or waiting to wash their hands. Diego and Joelle always use kind words when talking to their friends, teachers, and visitors. Thank you, Diego and Joelle. Noser always includes friends who don't have partners in his group. He always uses good manners by saying please, excuse me, thank you, and more. Noser always follows school and class rules. He kindly reminds others if they aren't following the rules. Thank you, Noser. Om Patel and Aisha Luna Om and Aisha are polite and courteous to their teachers and classmates. They take turns and treat others fairly. Aisha and have good manners, and they are patient. Thank you, Aisha and Premier Malkin and Ricardo Uribe. Premier and Ricardo are friendly and kind to every student in their class. They use kind words like please, thank you, and are you okay? Ricardo and Premier always follow classroom rules. Thank you, Premier and Ricardo. Ethan de Leon Anton and Emily Gonzalez. Ethan is respectful to his teachers and tries hard to be respectful to his classmates. Ethan works hard to make good choices. Emily is very respectful to her classmates and teachers. She tries hard to be friends with everyone and is very tolerant of differences. Emily and Ethan are respectful to our classroom and school. They take their classroom job seriously and help others respect our school. Thank you, Emily and school. Lyric Jones. Lyric shows respect by not talking when someone else is talking. She is polite and courteous. Lyric treats other people the way she wants to be treated. Thank you, Lyric. Violet Bogdahl, Ethan Chu, and Shania Platera. Violet, Ethan, and Shania pay attention to the speaker and do not interrupt the person talking. Ethan, Shania, and Violet clean up after themselves. Shania, Violet, and Ethan help others around them. Thank you, Ethan, Violet, and Shania. Olivia, Zach, and Jacob Kula. Olivia and Jacob treat others with respect. They follow the golden rule. Jacob and Olivia always listen to the teacher and their classmates. Olivia and Jacob are helpful in the classroom, and they work hard to be kind to everyone. Thank you, Jacob and Olivia. Jasleen Garcia, Max Bogdahl, and Juan Salgado. Jasleen looks at the speaker and listens. She uses polite words. She does not get angry easily. Max is quiet so other people can concentrate. He helps others. Juan respects the rules and plays fairly at soccer. He says please and thank you. Thank you, Juan, Max, and Jasleen.
Last month and this month, we have celebrated the Respect Pillar of Character at Slackwood School. Do you know that even grown-ups celebrate the pillars of character? Respect is important to show everywhere you go. At home, with your parents, with your pets, with your neighbors, in the store, everywhere. We respect others when we lend a helping hand, give a listening ear, or treat them kindly. Respect is another way of showing your golden heart. Since grown-ups need to show respect to others, as do children, this month we would like to honor someone who shows respect to us each day at Slackwood School. I will give you a hint to see if you can guess who it is. This grown-up works at Slackwood School. She was even a student at Slackwood School, as were her children. She has a very famous rule for her room at Slackwood School. Her number one rule is be considerate. Can you guess who it is? Oh, I see a lot of hands. Ryan? Yes, everybody say it together. Mrs. C. Can you please come forward? Soretsky is a kind person to all of us. She helps students by reading lovely stories to them, bringing in clothing and other items to help you learn about something, and she even has a field trip to her home for 2nd grade. She has many treasures to share with us, but the biggest treasure that she shares with us is herself. Mrs. Soretsky's family is golden-hearted too. Her son Alex even painted the bookshelf in the library that has the giving tree on it. It is a book dear to the heart of their family. That's who they are. They give to others. When their daughter Anya celebrated a special birthday, they bought a well in India so that people could have clean water to drink. It was the perfect gift for Anya, who loves to give to others too. We are very lucky to have such a respectful, kind, and golden-hearted staff member as Mrs. Soretsky here at Slackwood School. Please clap for her to show her how much you appreciate all she does. Lucky at Slackwood School. Please join in singing It's About Respect.
Okay, boys and girls, each month we pull one of these golden tickets that a teacher or somebody put in here for a student who did something special and gold-hearted. I just want to say, every morning I listen to the announcements Mrs. Damon does about the gold-hearted things you guys do, and I'm so proud of you guys. Amazing, amazing things that you guys do for others. So, without further delay, let's see who wins. They get to choose a pizza party or an ice cream party in their classroom. Wow, I like this one. Where's Jacob Vega? Okay, for those of you who don't know, Jacob spent recess time cleaning litter and trashing on the walking path. Okay, so make sure you thank him for that. Okay? something. Jacob, thank you very, very much.
Our Emily Eagle class winner. This month there was a three-way tie. There were 3 classes who have 4 Emily Eagle tickets for showing great behavior in the hallway and being great listeners in the hallway. So Emily Eagle, in the next 2 months, until we have our next assembly, will visit all 3 classes. Congratulations to Miss Lee Watts' class, Mrs. Valentino's class, and Mrs. Finn's class.
Congratulations, everyone, for using your good behavior in the hallways. Maybe next time your class will have a chance to have Emily Eagle visit your classroom. I would like to thank the families who are here for coming today, and also for your very, very important part in making your children the students who are the respectful people at Slackwood School who are honored here today. Thank you, families.